Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. This is one of my very favorite subscriptions just because there's so much packed in here, and you get it quarterly, so it's always nice to get a little surprise like this. That's not every month. Sometimes every month is a little bit too much. So every subscription comes with like a little magazine, and it goes through products, and sometimes there's like different patterns or colors for some of the products, so you can see what the other options were. They give you like workout stuff, sometimes recipes, show you how to use some of the products if there's anything in there. Or like a scarf, for example, they'll show you different ways to wear it. So these are really nicely done. And if you guys are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, I do have a really good promo code I'll put below. But their boxes are always so cute, so colorful. Is this a straw? This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. Huh. Okay, cool. They normally have like a company or someone that sponsors the box. So sometimes there's like freebies in here or some additional information. I don't even know where to start. I'm very excited about this because Raylan does not have a beach towel. So I knew that a beach towel was coming. Sometimes if you sign up for like the yearly subscription, they let you customize some of the products that come in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I believe there was 2 different patterns, so I got to pick which one I wanted. So I picked this one. It has pineapples on it. I love the colors, and this is very soft, very soft. My other beach towels are definitely not nice like this. So glad to have a huge beach towel. So we'll definitely get tons of use over the summer with that. Next from Pier 1 Imports. What is this? Oh, pretty. Just a little dish to put your jewelry and stuff on your dresser. That's really beautiful. Cool. And of course, there's normally makeup products as well. So we got something from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro To Go. I think I also got to choose this too. There was 2 different ones, I think maybe different shades. Here are the colors for that. Very awesome. I love Tarte products. Super excited to have that. Next up, I think I've seen these before. It says it's a facial cleansing brush. On the back it says it measures skin moisture, reveals skin age. I don't know if I want to know that. But it also says it has a customizing cleansing routine. I guess there's an app for it. That's super crazy. But it is, this one is purple. Looks like it's silicone, soft. So I'll have to read some more information about that. Looks like a fun little product. Then we have Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. Take a look inside. That is what it looks like. That seems very interesting. So far I'm loving this box. Some great items. Next up we have, this looks like one of those little resistance bands. Yep, that's what it is. So got one of those. From Kula we have SPF 50. This is sunscreen for your face. I think we typically get a product like that in the summer box, which is awesome. That way you get a fresh one every year. And then we have another Tarte product. How cool. This is their liquid eyeliner. I like the packaging for this. Oh, it has a little cat face on it. Gosh, I love that. So cool. This perhaps is my favorite box I've gotten so far from FabFitFun. I believe so. So the last product in here says Orlando Pita Play. This is hair protectant spray for damp or dry hair. Cool. So this is used for like a preheat styling spray, which I can definitely use. I do straighten my hair. It's kind of naturally wavy. So that is so awesome. For the first time, I can say I'll probably use every single one of these items. Sometimes you get maybe like a lip palette or something I typically wouldn't use, but this stuff is great. Love Tarte. I love a lot of these brands in here. These are really awesome. So if you want to see other unboxings I've done, I do have a playlist I'll link below, and I will also link that promo code in case you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.